Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be an unboxing video, and I'm going to be unboxing my new camera. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So this is the box that it came in, and I'm going to be showing you guys what comes with it. How the box came, put the stuff in it, and I'm just going to remove all that stuff for you guys to see what it came with. So this is the camera, and then we have the lens in here, telephoto lens in here, and then we have the wide angle lens, and then we have the rapid travel charger, we have the 3-piece filter kit, we have the universal digital slave flash, and then this is the camera holder. We have the SanDisk, the multi-card reader, and then we have the universal wireless shutter release. It's kind of like a remote for the camera. And then we have the camera bag, and then we have the camera stand. So we're going to open the camera. This is what it looks like. So it comes with the booklet, and then some bubble wrap, and then we're gonna take out what's in there. Here, and then the battery, and then we have the Canon strap for the camera. This is where you put the battery in, so you're just going to open that. Of course, you have to charge your battery. Put the battery in, and then once you hear the click, you know that it's in. There you go. And then we have to put the card reader down there, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to close it. And then we're gonna turn it on. On and off button is right there. So we're just going to turn it on, and there you have it. So if you notice here, we do not have the lens on it. So we're going to open this box. It's closed up here, so you will have to open that. So we'll have to just twist that and open it. So once you hear the click, you know that the lens is attached to the camera. So we're going to put the card reader in there. So on the camera, it shows you the shape of the card, disc, or the memory card, and what angle you're supposed to insert it. And then when you hear the click as well, then you know that it is definitely in. Now I'm just going to turn that for you guys to see, and we're going to turn it back on. And this is touchscreen as well, which is another amazing feature that I like about this camera. So you can do your settings, put the time and date, and then you're good to go. I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm seeing here. And then we have these two different types of lenses. We have the wide angle lens and we have the telephoto lens. So we're just going to open them. It just comes with like descriptions of what this is and tells you how to attach it. So I'm going to remove that. So now this is actually can be attached to the lens that's already there. Take that, and you can see that it has the rings, that this one has two on the sides, and you just have to gently start rotating it. So it's firm, and then you have another lens on top of an existing lens. And then we have the other one, which is the telephoto lens, and that's kind of like the same with this one, but they're different. We have the universal digital slave flash. It also comes with instructions on how you can attach this to your camera. So you're going to take that. And if you see right here, you just slide it in and it goes right in, and that's what we're going to do. So we're just going to do that, and it sticks there, and there you go, you have a flash. So I guess we've not talked about the battery and the charger. So this is what the charger looks like, and I will have to remove the battery for now to demonstrate how to charge your battery. And then just release that if you want to charge the battery. So you're going to open your battery top and then release that. Just move it to the side, and then you have your battery. And so it also shows you direction on how to place your battery in here. And if it doesn't, I don't know, but it should tell you. So you're just going to slide your battery in there, and it fits right there. And then you're going to get your cord, and then you're going to attach your cord to your battery charger. So once you plug it in, it will show you that your battery is charging, and when it's full, it's going to change the light. It's going to switch the light to this one here, and that's how you charge your camera battery. And then we have the 3-piece filter kit. This is a pretty bag. So this, I think I have an idea of what these are used for. So you can actually place these right here. So you can place, you can't place it on this one because this is another lens. That's a different lens here. So we're gonna take that one off, and then you can put one of these filters, and then you're good to go. So you can have different filters. We have this one, and we have this second one. And we have the clear one, which is the last one. There you go. These are the 3 filters that it comes with. I think the last, not last, is the rapid travel charger. So this is for when you're traveling. It comes with a charger for you. You can charge it in the car and your camera is good to go. And then the camera stand. So you just make sure it's tightened. Everything else is tightened so your camera doesn't fall. And you have your camera stand and your camera all together. Okay, our battery is full, so the light kind of turns green. That's how you're going to know that your battery is full. I just wanted to show you guys that part. And then we have the Canon strap. For the camera, I think these kind of go there and here. So I already like the picture quality. So all in all, I do think this was a beautiful purchase. I did forget to mention one thing. I was looking at something and I did forget to mention it. So one of the features that I love is that it actually, you can take a video, or you can be filming a video and you'll be able to see yourself. That way you're able to see what angle you're in, or if you're actually in the right angle with your video, you'll be able to see that. So that is one of the major things that I love about this camera. So that is probably it, you guys. Let me know if you enjoyed this video in the comments section down below. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so and click this red button right here. Of course, the notification bell, so that each time I upload a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Until next time, it is goodbye and God bless.